a key part of this is your ability to monitor synchronization. In order for this to work, synchronization has to be healthy. So how do we monitor synchronization using Azure AD Connect? Well, Azure AD Connect reports health in a couple of different ways. On the server where Azure AD Connect is installed, you can open the monitoring application and you can check that it's in fact healthy. You can see when synchronization events have occurred, and you can trigger additional synchronization events. But additionally, it publishes data to the Azure portal. And so within the Azure portal, you can get health reports on whether or not synchronization is in fact working, both in terms of alerts that can be surfaced. So if there's an error, a synchronization has failed, or any event that's not healthy, you will get alerts within the portal. You can use those alerts to diagnose problems and even create alerts that trigger activities, such as, for example, email notifications, workflows, or any other activity within Azure. And then finally, Azure AD Connect has its own health view that tells you whether or not it's connected to a particular server, if the synchronization is healthy, and if when the synchronization was last performed. So it's very easy to tell if something's going wrong. Now, kind of the other consideration with all this is, generally speaking, if users are not changing their passwords on an incredibly frequent basis, even if the synchronization fails for a period of time, people won't notice. The only time that a failed synchronization results in something, notably bad happening is if a user changed a password or a new user got added and the synchronization didn't occur. When that user tried to log on, the logon would fail. And so the most common thing there is, well, either wait for the synchronization, or as the administrator, look at the monitoring, determine if there's an error, and then take an action to correct it.